What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Monster Motoring here. I am back in the garage and I got a whole new tool set there. I have the new coils and interior LEDs for the car. The only thing is that I forgot to bring the key for the car, so we're not actually going to be able to see if the car can start after we put on the coils or the LEDs. So yeah, this is just going to be a praying situation, I guess. Hopefully it works. Yeah, so I'm going to start taking stuff apart and see what happens. Smaller. Yeah, I mean, it's good that I have those sockets, but actually I might need something smaller than this.
So where you have to get into? Alright, there you got it.
There we go. Alright, guys, so we have to Harbor Freight. They had a coupon, 130 pieces for, was it like 29 bucks, 30 bucks? Oh, jeez, this thing is, wow. So, while we're waiting for other tools, this goes over here. Yeah, while we're waiting for other tools, we've got, is everything like out of place? Yeah, we got a spare set, and this thing is comprehensive. It also smells like rubbing alcohol almost. Yeah, got all these, so, and measuring tape, and they got nails in here too. Jeez. Yeah. All right. Get started. All right, so I think we're gonna start with interior first. Yes, inside of there is the LEDs. Those, of course, are gonna go inside the car because these lights inside here are amber for the stock ones. Like, water on top of the car. Huh. Interesting. Yeah. So. Yeah. So these, if you guys can see it, are amber, and they just look terrible most of the time. So we're just gonna get rid of these, and then later on, when we use the car, they get rid of the orange ones inside of there, orange ones inside of there. But this one and this one are first. Alright, after watching a YouTube mechanic, figuring out how to put these lights in, so swear these go everywhere. Okay. I don't know where it'd have a notch, but you know, I'm starting to think just these don't fit. Should be able to fit, but this should be able to go in. You might pull up a video of the LEDs. Your interior. Yeah. Alright, guys, after a dumb choice by, well, I should have known. They have a connector that, you know, twist and pull, that type of thing. So these LEDs aren't gonna work. So we're just gonna go straight to installing the ignition coils. Oh, okay. Put that back on here. Alright, this is gonna come off, the side of here is gonna come off. Okay, so let's figure it out as we go. I'd imagine that this needs to come off here. It flips up with this throttle cable. This goes here. Alright, seems good to me. Something. Auto Works. This guy, I think he replaced the hood at one time. Let's find a place to just put these. I won't get lost. Alright. How long are these? Goodness. There you go.
Nice and tight.
Alright. Take the extension off of it. Thing is with tools is that I always lose them. I always have to buy more.
That's the way it goes.
So if anyone wants to sponsor me, don't hesitate to reach out to Jordan at monstermotoring.com. Oh, jeez.
I think
Bro, what is going on? You know, it might already be loose, but yeah. One more.
No,
Or like, yeah.
Oh.
I'm not taking off this side, I'm just taking off this edge so I can get to the top of the motor. I don't understand why they went here with the... Actually, no, I do understand. The turbo ones, the manifold goes down. It like just comes off of here. NA ones goes across there. I don't understand why they just gotta make the same manifold and they just keep the... Okay. What else we have? This connector's gotta come off, I think. No, let's just leave that on until. We're just taking off this edge here. There's not a.
So
There's a couple underneath,
so right
actually.
Here, right here. 2. 1, 2.
Going to the other side?
Yeah, see? Pretty sure.
No, that's connecting this to down here, I'm pretty sure. There's, I mean, we can see. Wouldn't hurt. Come on. Can this come off? Jeez. I'm trying to figure out how to get stuff off without taking anything. Alright, there we go. Oh wow. Okay.
That's what you're talking about, son. Just pull this apart.
Just this side. This one has to just flip up, so we can get underneath here. Is there another one on this side? Yes, there is. I thought that was oil. It's just cold. This thing's like in the middle of nowhere. Oh, because I'm blocking it. That's a hard line. Okay. We'll work for this the other way. Let's see. We can take this off here. We've been moving forward with this. For some reason, there is a major oil leak on top. So at least we can narrow it down to a couple things. It's not the intake manifold, and it might just be like one of these hoses here just came off or whatever, but we'll figure that out. We've been pressing forward with these coil packs. It's been interesting because they got these little like hoods above them. It's like uncircumcised or whatever, but